Flange forging is a manufacturing process where high-quality flanges are shaped by applying pressure to a piece of metal. This process ensures superior strength, durability, and resistance to wear and tear. Forged flanges are essential in industries like oil, gas, chemical, and construction, where high-pressure systems require reliable, leak-proof connections. Unlike cast or welded flanges, forged flanges are created from solid metal, making them more resistant to extreme conditions and providing longer-lasting performance.